Hi, and welcome to the Chanakya Capital. Today we're going to be discussing how to make three-statement financial model with the help of AI. So this is our note which we will be using to make this three-statement detailed financial model with the help of a single AI prompt. Of course, this is not an industry-ready detailed model. You have to review it. Industry model actually requires a more thoughtful process, that is detailed revenue bills, cost, SGN, assumptions, scenario analysis. With current LLM context restriction, it is not feasible to create a detailed model with a single prompt, but we're going to be making something very uh, cool and very nice for the first attempt to make a three-statement financial model, which can be modified and made more detailed. The ideal use case is if you are with the boutique companies, boutique investment banks, or an early stage investment firms with simpler financials. This prompt create functional operating models in minutes. Three statement financial model versus DCF. If we see, DCF can be built with a single prompt to a reasonable level of details because they require comparatively lesser linking and interdependence. But three statement financial operating model requires all three statements to be completely linked with proper balance sheet, balancing and cash flow reconciliation. This AI spreadsheet works by understanding structure. The AI reads the financial data and identifies patterns like revenue lines, expenses, categories, and types, building logic, writing codes, and generating the files. If you want these notes, I'm actually putting a link of my website where you can go and read this. The step-by-step process will be if the target company is private, input historicals. Second, maybe take a screenshot of a profit or loss or balance sheet section and copy the below prompt and modify and paste it. I'm going to be telling you how to do this. A whole process is coming further. Recommended models. These are actually paid models, but we will be using a very simple Claude model, and I'm going to be also showing how ChatGPT reacted to this prompt and how other AIs were reacting to this prompt. And here's the prompt, complete prompt, and we're going to be starting like you are a senior investment banking analyst building a fully linked institution quality three-state and financial model in Excel. Why I explain the prompt is that you have a good understanding what we are actually making. The company name, industry, currency, historical period, forecast period, and output. Everything is there. All the tabs are there like assumption, income statement, balance sheet, cash flow statement, supporting schedules like working capital schedule, PP&E schedule, debt schedule, equity roll forward, graphs and check. And these all are actually the items that will be included in that financial model. So okay, let's move on and see what was the output of this prompt. Here. This is the actual output. First sheet is a assumption sheet and it has quoted all the assumption on its own and giving good notes and reasoning to it. Secondly, we comes is an income statement and it is formula driven. It is not just a fed-in figure. And then balance sheet is there. All the blues that you see are actually the items taken from the historical financial we have given to that AI. And then these all checks and supporting schedules are also there. I did had a good try for graphs, but only two got successful. So whichever gets successful, we can use it, and either we can discard and delete, right? So let's move on and understand how we're going to be making this. Okay, so Claude was the one who got very successful. When I tried it, I did try ChatGPT, and it gave me something really not good. So I came back to Claude. This PDF is actually the financial statement of the company that I wanted to make this three-statement financial model of. And this whole is the prompt. Then actually Claude took at least 10 minutes to make it, and I was really happy with the result it gave. We have the notes and we have this. This is all that I have already showed you. Let's try it again and show you how does it works. And copy this whole prompt. Okay, done. And go back, put it here. Then I have to add the file, which is the financial statement of the company I'm looking for. And then let's see. It takes a little bit time. Okay, so I've given this prompt, and this will take a lot of time. To be honest, I'm not going to be recording it wholly. Okay, so actually I took a lot of time to record this. This is what it looks like. Let me download this for first and then show you that I have an exemptions tab, income statement, balance sheet, cash flow statement, and supporting. Then I have 3 to 4 charts. Now we have downloaded it. Let's see it. Okay, so this is how it looks after you download it. So we have this assumption tab, and this looks actually much better than my previous output. And this is the income statement. And yes, it is fully linked. Balance sheet statements, cash flow, and then we have supporting schedules. And let us look at our graphs. See, sometimes some maps work and some doesn't. So I didn't give so much importance to maps uh, and these graphs in this particular model. I just gave more importance to this three statement, that is income statement, balance sheet, and cash flow statement. And to be honest, this looks really nice and amazing how it has been made by Claude. And I just told you I also used many others AI which were not that amazing, and Claude was doing much better than any of them. While Claude is also available to be worked within Excel, but we are not using it because it is more of for a corporate and a team, and it almost costs $20 per month, which I don't feel worthwhile for me right now, but maybe in future many of us will be taking that.